Much of the country faces a blast of bitterly cold weather this morning, along with a series of snowstorms threatening the east and Midwest. An icy mass of air will dive down from western Canada, reaching as far south as Texas by this weekend. CBS News meteorologist and climate specialist Jeff Berardelli joins us. Jeff, good morning.
Good morning, Anthony. Good morning, everybody. The polar vortex is going to pay us a visit, and it is not going to be a very pleasant guest, unfortunately, bringing with it the coldest air in the world right now, down Canada and all the way down to Texas. We have a big blocking warm high across the Arctic that is displacing and forcing an Arctic invasion across the nation's heartland, and boy, is it going to get cold, especially as we head into Sunday morning. It's already cold, but this will be the coldest morning. Look at that, 51 below the wind chill in Fargo, 48 below in Rockford, Illinois, about 13 below in Oklahoma City, and in Kansas City, 16 below. And you know, during the day in Kansas City and St. Louis, it's going to be colder there than it will be in Fairbanks, Alaska. Now, along this boundary, very cold and very warm air, lots of alerts going up because there's going to be, you know, a conveyor belt of storm after storm, kind of an assembly line of storm after storm. And it's going to be ice right along the boundary and then snow to the north. So in places like Dallas and Little Rock and Paducah, it is ice. But east of that, in places like Washington, D.C. and West Virginia, it's snow and it will pile up. But it will not really get to Boston, and it'll barely get to New York. And that's because it's going to run into a wall of cold and dry air. It's never too cold to snow, but sometimes it can suppress systems to the south. There is the icy accumulation to the south, and places like D.C., 3 to 6 inches of snow. Some places in Virginia and West Virginia, maybe as much as 10 inches. And Tony, if that's not enough fun for you, we have at least 2 to 3 more storms in the pipeline.
The takeaway for me, Jeff, is it could be the coldest Valentine's Day on record. So, gentlemen, get the flowers before Sunday morning. You are not going to want to bundle up and go out. All right, Jeff, thank you very much.